in this question we are asked to find R1 and R2. Okay, so let us see how to find this. So we have to assume 0 volt on a point. It means we are that point, let this be the point, so it will be 0 volt. Okay. Now we have to see the difference of the voltage in the same. Okay, so as we can see, here it is 20 volt because यहाँ से 1 एम्पियर का करंट फ्लो कर रहा है. टोटल 1 एम्पियर इज गिवन टू अस here 1 ampere. Okay, so to the battery it will move 1 ampere on a closed loop, as we know. Okay, so in and out of the battery is 1 ampere. So here we can see V is equal to IR. It will be I 1 ampere and it is I, and R will be 20, so it will be 20 watt. So here difference is 20 watt. Now it is the potential difference between this and this point. Okay, and it is 0 watt, as we see. So it is 20 watt, and in the parallel combination, as we know, these three are in parallel, so voltage will be the same, difference in voltage. So here would also be 20 difference between these 2 points, and here would also be 20. Delta V we can write as 20 watt. Okay, अब we have to find the resistance between them. So as we know, resistance, I write R2 as V by I. V is 20 watt, as we know, or I is 0.5, so it would be 40 ohm resistance is R2. And again we have to find now R1. Okay, so R1 we can write as here R1, 1 ampere is flowing through this circuit, and I assume 0 watt here. Okay, so it would be, we are moving from lower to higher terminal, so it will be 69 volt here, 69. Okay, and it is a straight line, so it would be no resistance in between, so it would also be 69 of. Okay, and as we know, it is 0 and the difference is 20 watt, so it will be 20 watt. Now we have to find R1, so I can simply write the difference between these points. That would be, let me name them as A and B. So it would be VA minus VB, because current flows from higher to lower terminal, so I can simply write VA minus VB, and I get here 69 minus of 20, and I have to find, I know current is 1 ampere, so I can simply write 1 ampere, so it would be 9 and this would be 49. Okay, and okay, this is 49, so 49 ampere. And now I have to see all the current that is flowing through these circuits, so I would simply write here, it is, the voltage is 20 and the current flowing is, as we know, current flowing through the circuit, so it will be 20 by 20. Okay, क्योंकि पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस यहाँ का 20 है और 20 ओम रेजिस्टेंस है, और इनके बीच का हम देखेंगे तो इनका बीच का 20 and 10, 20 by 10. It is the current I am writing, and here also 20, and resistances I found here 40. Okay, so it will be 20 by 40. Okay, so I found the current from here. Okay, it is simply given 0.5, so I will simply add this, so it will be 1, 2, and it will be 1 by 2, so 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 2, I will get 3 plus 1 by 2, 6 plus 1 by 2 would be 7 by 2. Okay, so current flowing from this all I will get here as 7 by 2, and from here I have to find now. Okay, so I found the current from here. Now I will simply use the formula V is equal to IR, because I found the resistance here and the current is 7 by 2 ampere from these all I found. Okay, so by using these two I will write V is equal to IR, and here R is 49 and it is 7 by 2. It is potential difference that I found. Okay, so I write this as potential difference, not 1 ampere. It is potential difference, that is 69 minus of 20, that is 49. Okay, so I write here 49 is equal to I by I into R is 7 by 2 and R1. So I will find R1 now. 49 into 2 by 7, so I will get 14. It is 14 ohm. Okay, so R1 would be 14 ohm and R2 I found, that is R2 here 40 ohm. So what I did, it is simply here potential difference is V is equal to IR, that is 20 watt. Okay, 1 ampere is the current given. It is not given here, I mistakenly wrote it here, so it would be 20 watt. So they three are in parallel, so we can simply write this as also 20 watt and between these 2 points as also 20 watt. So I found the resistance 2. Okay, by simply equating this 20 by 0.5, it is also given. Okay, so we get 40 ohm, and now we can simply add these three and the current would be coming here. So I simply wrote as 20 by 20 and 20 volt and 20 ohm resistance, 20 by 10 and 20 by 40. 20 and 40 is the resistance too. Now it will be 7 by 2 ampere, and I equated it by here. The potential difference between these points is 49 and 7 by 2 the current, and R1 we can find, that is 14 ohm. Thank you.